Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you step by step how to save Word document as an image. So firstly let me open up my document. So as always you go to open and then open once again and open your document with an image. Alright, so I've opened up my document and this is it. And now guys, as you can see everything is separate. So the text is separate and the image itself is separate as well. And now the next thing you want to do is select everything. Or you can just press on Ctrl A on your keyboard like this and Ctrl C, or you can just go ahead and press on copy right here. And now guys, what we need to do to effectively convert this from the text and the image that are separate into just an image, we just need to create a new document. So once again, go to the Office button and then go New and then choose Blank Document. Press on Create. And now guys, you just pretty much need to click on this Paste button like this and choose Paste Special. And in here, you just need to choose Picture Enhanced Meta File and click OK. And as you can see, now everything inside our file is together as one image. So as you can see, if I hover my mouse over this piece of text, I can't actually choose it. So everything is blended together. And as you can see, this is one object now. So this is how you effectively convert and turn your Word document as an image altogether. So enjoy guys. If this helped you out, like the video, subscribe and leave a comment. See you soon.